how to turn TikTok views on faceless channel in 2025 in $10,000 or $20,000 plus per month in net profits with affiliate marketing or other affiliate networks. So as you can see over here in this video, right? In the last, let me show you over here, 7 days, I had 531,000 video views, which is really great, right? As you can see over here, 51,000 likes, 1,600 shares, and 5,000 comments. Now, if you're building, I don't know, TikTok shop, yes, you can use that for promoting your own products, or you can be an affiliate promoting other people's product on the networks like ClickBank, for example, where you can choose for free weight loss supplements, digital products, right? Any kind of products you want to promote with 90% affiliate commissions. Yes, that's right. You're making 90% per sale. Okay, so if you promote a product that costs $100, $100, you're making $90 per sale, which is not bad, right? Now, why this is important? Engagement in 2025 is very important. As you know, if you're buying courses on affiliate marketing, TikTok growth, right, you have to understand the name of the game in 2025. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on ClickBank, it's not about how many views you're getting, but the right buyer's intent and having the right message to the market match. Now, of course, we can start with, let's say, curiosity-based clicks or headlines where you can get in 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, short videos, okay? Because people are dopamine addicted, okay? Dopamine addicted meaning they just chasing those high with clicks, and you have to catch their attention in the first 1 to 3 seconds. In the 1 to 3 seconds, my friend, you have to catch their attention, and that's what we do with pattern interrupts. Okay, what is that? Actually, something really strange, weird, in the first 1 to 3 seconds to get their attention, and then lead them to the end of the video where we have call to action, which we call CTA, right? So very important. Now also, if you're in niche like weight loss supplements, I don't know, wealth, dating space, you have to understand, are you having male audience or female audience, or it's a mixed audience? Why this is important, my friend? The reason why you see is because when you have female audience, their core emotional states are different than male audience. Okay, very important. Now, you don't have to learn that, but once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and show exactly, make done for you videos, done for you templates, which can help you to get up and running really, really fast, which is really important if you want to make money online. Okay, as you can see, 1,600 shares, free organic traffic, meaning people are sharing the videos, right? 5,000 comments only in 7 days, right? Now, if you have a look here, let me have a look. If I go over here, and let's say last 28 days, we had over 137,000 likes and 1.6 million video views. In 28 days, 1.6 million video views. You can see 19,000 profiles. This is really important. You can see over here, right? Comments. Almost 10,000 comments, which is really great. If you have affiliate link and you're earning $50, or let's say even $25 per sale, okay? Low ticket instant purchase. Those are instant buyers, okay? People who are spending between $15 to $50, even $97, okay, are like instant purchases. People don't overthink that, okay? They're going to the Starbucks, buying coffee for $10, I don't know, in California, New York, right? Or buying a sandwich for $20 in New York or somewhere else in the world, right? People don't tend to overthink, okay? It's normal. So yes, once you have a mass market, you can make a lot of money with TikTok affiliate marketing without showing your face, of course, okay? Now let me show you the secret. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me over here. As you can see, let me zoom in over here on my Instagram, so you can see. You can reach out to me later on my Instagram over here, and you can see exactly. If you're serious, you can reach out to me and talk to me one-on-one, okay, if you have any kind of questions. But now, before I go into it, before I go further, let me show you over here how this works, right? If you want to have with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025, working 20 to 30 minutes per day, okay, making money for yourself while you sleep, basically, passive income, can be your side hustle. As you can see over here, right? You can set up a landing page, which can be done for you. If you do affiliate marketing, you know what I'm talking about, right? But this kind of page is very wrong. That's why most affiliates fail, lose money on ads, TikTok ads, or any other Google ads, because they don't understand there are 5 points you gotta pre-sell in order to make the sale happen. The structure and positioning is very important, so you have the right message to the market match. Okay? You can see everyone is glued to their phone. The question is, are you going to take leverage and advantage of this in 2025 and make some money for yourself, or are you going to make excuses or procrastinate and tell me why you can't do this, why you're different? In fact, you are not. Okay? Once you have someone who can help you, as you can see over here, one-on-one or Zoom call, you can get the results that I'm talking about and showing you in this video right now. Okay? So, as you watch this video, if you want to get results, as you can see over here, right? Sometimes you can spend $30 in a day and get $300 back. Why? Because usually you will have kind of like upsell flow rate, meaning someone gonna buy a front-end product, ebook, or weight loss supplement, and then you're gonna buy all the upsells. Maybe not in the same day, maybe 7 days later, maybe 2 days later, they're going to get email with new offer, and because you have your affiliate link linked to your offer, you are going to get commission. Okay, so this is how it works. Now, as you watch this video, if you want to get results, okay, let me know. Whenever you do one-on-one, you have my WhatsApp number, you're gonna have my email, also my Facebook Messenger. Let me know, let's connect, and let's make something happen.